Hello friends. Friends, you may have seen many railway stations in India, and we all know that railway stations are getting improved day by day, and the services also. But today what I am showing you is a railway station of Vijyawada, which is really looking fantastic and superb. What a view of the railway station. It's really looking like an airport. So you can see the main building of the railway station, and here is the Indian tricolor in front of the building, and here also the name is written in Telugu, in Hindi, Urdu and English, Vijayawada. And the outside view of the station where there is parking, I think, and the tempos or taxis, autos, they are here, many in number. And it's night time. It's about 9:40 p.m. and many statues are also there. They are looking really great, and that's the main entrance through which we enter this gate. And I noticed that this railway station has more than one gates. I go forward and show you some more statues here. So friends, you can see here a fountain and some statues and some paintings are also there. These paintings, I think, symbolize the local Telugu culture, and these statues also, and the fountain is really flowing very nicely. And these are the taxi drivers. They are standing in huge number, and this is the entrance gate number 2. I noticed that there here almost 4 gates are there, and that's the symbol. That's the engine there, the engine which we can see that the railway station Vijayawada, and what is written, Fairy Queen name is written on that engine. And here is the Bharat Mata, you can see. So friends, that's the view of the main building of the railway station Vijayawada. You can read here, and the light is really glowing, and that's the main entrance. Here I read gate number 1, and then if we go forward there will be gate number 2, then 3, and then the 4. So it's really looking bright and spectacular in the night time. It's 10 o'clock in the night, and the view is really awesome. Great railway station, really made fantastically, and the view is awesome, you can see. So here I wanted to capture this all. I am really happy after capturing that all and sharing with you. So if you like this railway station of Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, please do comment and write me. Thank you friends.